今次開箱嘅呢，就係 Tajima 田島呢隻頭盔內送風嘅 Helmet 風扇。第一樣睇啦，就係田島嘅充電器啦，係一個81到240嘅，即係香港都啱用嘅充電器啦。呢條彈弓帶咧就係綁喺頭盔嗰度嘅，跟住呢一粒咧就係2900個 mAh 嘅鋰電，哇！淨係呢粒打開俾大家睇啦，係好靚，係咪好靚？好似似唔似高大嘅格納夫啊？跟住咧喺呢度一擰，攞嚟充電話都型到爆燈。跟住落嚟啦，接睇呢個好有型嘅風扇啦，開關就喺呢度啦，出風位咧就喺呢一個位置，同埋上邊最主要嘅呢個位置啦。咁啊吹風出嚟嘅時候咧，就會喺頭盔內部咧帶走啲熱氣嘅。跟住呢個防水位咧就插落嗰個 USB 嗰度。
I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits.
喺工地做嘢啦，安全最重要啦，戴住頂帽。但係咧，由於過熱關係咧，好容易會中暑嘅喎。呢個田島嘅頭盔風扇啦，將啲風喺呢邊引咗入去，穿個頭頂喺度吹翻嚟嘅。咁我感覺到咧，好明顯而家咧頭同埋頭盔中間咧係有啲氣流喺度吹緊出嚟嘅。咁第二啦，好似我哋都要戴安全眼鏡噶嘛，而家風咧喺吹出嚟嘅時候咧，就喺呢個眼鏡裏邊兜兜轉轉啦，所以我有眼睛咧都好亮嘅。咁所以大家若果有閒錢嘅話咧，不妨去架構呢個田島嘅頭盔風扇啦。
夏天開工啊，啲汗好似落雨咁啊！莫講話底褲啊，面褲都濕埋啊！最緊要定時飲水，喺頸度咧搭條濕毛巾降溫啊嘛！口渴嘅時候先至飲水咧，就可能已經遲咗噶啦。若果你發現有頭暈頭痛、突然冇汗出、心跳加速、起雞皮、撞有抽筋等症狀咧，就小心中暑嘅可能性。中暑可大可小噶，宅 Sir 話你聽，健健康康翻屋企揾兩餐，唔使揾命搏嘅。飲水要定時，貴價就好 happy 啦。
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely.